going on, everybody? We are in Alaska for 10 days and haven't posted much lately, and I apologize for that, but I've just been working a lot and honestly getting ready for this trip, saving a little money. So we are in Alaska though for 10 days, and this is day one. We got here yesterday, and I actually did some fishing yesterday, but didn't video anything. But we're gonna be here for 10 days, so obviously I'm gonna have plenty of fishing content. It is August 16th today, so last couple times we've been out here, it was in October, and then in January, I believe, the last time, and the fishing isn't quite as good around that time. It actually sucks. So we're gonna get some salmon, we're gonna get some rockfish, we're gonna catch a bunch of fish on this trip. I'm gonna try to bring home some salmon, fly it back to good old Tennessee, and yeah, it's gonna be really fun. So today's video might not be much fishing, but we are gonna go on a hike and take some videos and pictures and just enjoy our first day in Alaska. So stay tuned, and maybe we will catch some fish. I don't know. I've got my rod with me, so yeah, let's get to it. Say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
It's just wild because like pretty much all those salmon are pink salmon, and then you got one sockeye.
Oh boy, look at this. Look at this beautiful water. Alright, lied to you guys. So we might not fish. And definitely about to make a cast. Got my little Daiwa travel rod with me. This rod is sick, by the way. I'm not a huge Daiwa guy. Obviously they make great stuff, but this is the it's a telescopic rod, but it's a travel rod. I think it's called Triple B, I believe. I don't even see the freaking. It's a 6'10". I know that. So anyway, whatever. Enough about the rod. We're gonna start fishing. Look at these salmon. They're jumping. This river right here actually feeds into the ocean. So this is where these fish. This is the highway to get up here into this lake. This would actually be a really nice one to keep, size-wise. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. I don't know if it's... Whoop.
Bless.
They say you want to keep the lightest colored ones you can find. So, I don't know if this is coho or what it is, but it's a beautiful fish. Regardless, I didn't bring anything to keep fish today. So.
Nice.
Oh, it was sick. It was like a tiny one relative to how big they can get. Yeah, really. So freaking focused on fucking.
I know.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I'd like to ask you about your car insurance. Hello.
If every single one to you. Are you taking pictures of every single one?
I'm videoing. Videoing, babe. Gosh. All right.
This is my dog. Also doggy.
Look at this, guys. This is insane. Looks like a movie scene. Oh my gosh. This is insane, dude. Hey. What are you doing over there? Hey. Hey. Left the GoPro on. Alright, next spot. Oh, first cast. This is a trout. Oh my goodness. He ate the heck out of that. Oh, yep, okay. This little guy is tiny. There you go. I'm literally hooking fish every cast. They're just so small. How small they are. Oh my gosh. This is like a little brook trout or something. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Good Lord! Good Lord! Alrighty, guys. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing here at the dock. This is right behind Courtney's dad's place out here in Alaska, and catch a lot of little different species of rockfish out here. Obviously, if y'all saw my other videos from out here in Alaska, that's what's out here. There's a lot of rockfish. I guess you could potentially catch a salmon from right here, but it's way more likely you're just going to be catching those rockfish. And yeah, see what happens. It'd be awesome if I could catch a salmon though. That one. There it is. No rockfish. No rockfish. You know what? I'm just going to use these pliers. Love it. Oh yeah. Pretty much all of them are this size. You just jig these suckers right up. It's so crazy. Oh no. That's a good one. It's a good rockfish. A bit better ones out here. There's some kind of kelp or something out there in the middle that they cling to. Look at that, man. Look at that, y'all. Right there, that's a copper rockfish. You cannot keep those, so apparently they're pretty good eating, but you can't keep them, so it doesn't matter. There are some species of rockfish that you can keep, but it's definitely not one of them. That's a decent one. That's a decent one. Calm down, little buddy. Alright, there's another one. As you can see, they kind of remind me of like rock bass of the ocean. It's literally what they remind me of. Because once you get into them, and they fight like freaking bulldogs. So. It's hard to stop fishing for them though, because they fight so freaking hard, and it's just fun. It's a big one. Oh yes, look at that. That's a freaking big one. We'll call it the day after this one, because I don't think I'm going to catch a bigger one. Not in the amount of time that I'm willing to spend out here, so that's it, guys. About as nice of a rockfish as you're gonna catch.